Hey y'all, it's Alec with Sharing the Journey. We found a new RV park experience to try. We stayed last night, we're staying again tonight. We're gonna move on, headed towards Montana tomorrow morning. But we're at a Love's truck stop, and behind the Love's truck stop, they have an RV stop. Very nice. Let me take you in and show you. As you pull in, the first thing you'll notice is that it's completely gated all the way around. They've got 36 sites, which is very nice. And I'm gonna show you, but when you pull in, you got a punch code here. After you make your online reservation using the Love's app, then you can pay. They'll send you an email. It's got the code to get in. They do have a little store right here. It has not been manned since we've been here. They do have a few RV supplies inside, and there's a gentleman here from 9 to 5 on a golf cart picking up trash, cleaning sites, that sort of stuff, and he can let you in if you need anything from in there. On the front, they have a restroom which has a code they give you. They have ice, and they have wood. Let's go on in the campground. On the other side, they've got 3 restrooms. Let's take a look at this one. The restrooms are very nice. The other 2 restrooms are even bigger, and they have a full shower. Then the very last door is a laundry room. Cindy and I came down here and did laundry last night. They have 2 washers, 2 dryers. Dryers are $3, washers are $3. As you enter through the gate, you'll see that they have a nice playground for the kiddos. And the first of 2 pavilions, and each of the pavilions has a gas grill. And you can see at the other end of the campground there's another pavilion. So half the sites are pull-throughs. Up. There's a little Kildare. So the pull-throughs have a picnic table, concrete, 50, 30, 20 amp service, and sewer with potable water. Here's pavilion number 2 at the other end of the campground. Now, there's also five deluxe sites. So here's your regular pull-through with your sewer, water, electric. Then they have a covered picnic table. And then you have the same thing on back-end sites. They've got several with the back-end sites that have the covered picnic table. And you'll notice the difference. The back-end sites have a gravel pad for your picnic table And they have a very nice fire pit. There's a walking trail that goes all the way around. Now, I will say, site 28 through 36 back up to the truck parking. So those sites are going to be a little bit noisier because there's the Loves and here's the truck parking. But the trucks are just idling once they get settled. Here's the walking trail. Let me show you what's back here. So I am told that the Loves also owns this Best Western Plus hotel. So they own the truck stop, the hotel, and the RV stop. And this area back here is for both the hotel and the RV park. They have 2 sets of cornhole. They have a huge community fire pit with Adirondack chairs. And then besides that, they have 2 dog parks. And the dog parks are divided into sizes. So this first one right here, this is for your 30-pound and under dogs, and the larger one is for 30 and over. I think that they've done a wonderful job here. And I think with there's a $3 booking fee. I guess that's to handle the credit cards and stuff online. Then we paid a $3 pet fee. And I want to say 2 nights was $93 tax, title, and tags. I'll have to confirm that with Cindy, but I believe that's correct. So that one says large dog. That one says small dog. They have waters that you just hit it with your foot and it fills up for your pooch, and then it drains, self-draining. And then they also have a place for you to put your dog waste. Although I will say that because this is mostly an automated system here, when I came in and used the dog park, I did pick up, I used the large dog park, and I did pick up 10 dog stools left over by previous customers that did not pick up after their dogs. My dog is disgusting. He likes to eat dog poop, so I always have to pick up before we go into a dog park. Once you come out of the trail, you'll see they've got a half-court basketball with a tennis. It's either tennis or pickleball. Cindy thinks it's pickleball. I think it's tennis. I don't know. And it's lit so you can play at night. Here's an arrival coming in now. We had 5 or 6, I think we had 6 RVs here last night. Each corner of the park has one of these trash bins for you to put your waste in. And I noticed that the gentleman, when he leaves at 5, he makes sure they're all empty for the night. We have not seen any rodents or animals here. And then over here is my spot, and I'll show you around. So here's my spot. All of them are these concrete pads. I like having the gravel at the picnic table. I wish they'd have done that on all. They got a nice metal picnic table that's got the plastic coating. You see, we fit well. We have a what looks like never been used fire pit. Nice beautiful field out here. Then on the back side, they've got these real modern stanchions. Sewer's hooked up, water's hooked up. We have enough, there's a lot of room between the campers, so we're real happy with it. So Cindy, what do you think of the Love's RV stop?
We definitely do it again. I mean, it's been nice, convenient, right off the highway. They have laundry room and all that.
I showed them all that. So what did it end up costing us for 2 nights?
As you say, tax, title, and tags, $94.83.
And that's including pet fees and booking fee, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Oh, and our Good Sam discount.
Yep, we took a Good Sam discount. All right, we'll see you down the road. Y'all have a nice one. Safe travels.